everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm talking about this beautiful wig by Rene of Paris. This is a new style that they have recently launched and this is called Blair. I really love this style. I'm excited to share it with you guys today and this color is absolutely beautiful. This color is Bronze Hazelnut R. Let's talk about Bronze Hazelnut R and then we will move on to this gorgeous Blair wig. So Bronze Hazelnut R has a dark brown root. I love a rooted brunette. You don't always see a lot of rooted brunette options, and so I do really love this dark root. And then you have a fantastic blend of colors with the rest of this here shade. This is a blend of warm blonde, cool light blonde, and dark brown. So you have that dark brown root, and then you also have some dark brown within this gorgeous dimensional shade. And then you have the light blonde and the warm blonde highlights. It is so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. I will take this wig off and show you a closer look. I do have some natural light coming in along with a couple ring lights, but most of you guys know that colors can differ depending on your screen, my screen, whether you're looking at this video from a computer or your phone. And so do be mindful of that when looking at colors on the internet. It's wise to view various wig reviews and photos to really get a feel for the color you're looking at. Okay, so let me know what you guys think of Bronze Hazelnut R. The R meaning rooted. Okay, let's talk about Blair. I love Blair. Somebody mentioned this looks like a Jennifer Aniston hairstyle, and I can see that. You have the very sleek look with some slight bend to the ends. You have some longer layers up front that taper into the rest of the length of this style. And the main features of this beautiful Blair wig is a lace front and a middle monofilament part. You know, that trendy middle part. This is part of the Rene of Paris high fashion collection. And this is an average size wig. I wear average in the majority of wig brands, and I would say this here Blair wig fits true average in size. They consider this texture straight. It is nice and smooth, sleek and straight, and the ends kind of have some swing or bend to it. This layered style just perfectly frames the face. It's very flattering and it looks beautiful from all angles. You do have some slight longer layers all throughout. In fact, let's do a full turnaround and I'll show you Blair from all angles. Like I mentioned, this does have a nice light believable density. It looks very natural, but it's not stringy. You do have a good amount of hair so that you can have the beautiful hair of your dreams. I mean, it's gorgeous. You have a lovely lace front. You can wear this off the face, but you can wear it kind of sweeping down across the forehead slightly. Because of that lace front, even though this is a middle part, you might be able to even kind of change up the part and utilize that lace front right up at the front, kind of part it in the middle still, but then push it more to like a side look, as you see here, probably on either side really. You can still kind of utilize that parting ability, even if, let's say, you know, it's this middle monofilament part. The middle part looks great with this style, and you can wear it up and away from the face as well, as you can see. Now, because this has very dark roots, you can kind of see a little bit of the knots, but I think overall this lace front looks really great. And you can always use a little bit of concealer and makeup to make that part more invisible, more blended with your skin color. But here is a closer look of that lace front and that part. In fact, let's take this wig off and I'll show you guys the underside of the cap construction. So yeah, they say that the density of this style is medium, and I would say that's probably totally true. I wouldn't say it's so light that it's stringy, but it's not super heavy. I feel like it feels and looks very natural. Now here's a closer look of that gorgeous color, Bronze Hazelnut R. You do see some like a little bit more of like a chunky look right here, but it's not all over the place. It's not like zebra looking. It's just really pretty. You definitely can see some prominent highlights. I feel like they look wonderful. Very pretty, blends really well, gives this color, this brunette shade, a lot of dimension and depth. I'm really digging this color, along with that dark root that blends into the rest of this shade with those highlights. So pretty with these ends. They look a little choppy and layered and flipped out, and then you can see how it tapers on up into that like face framing layers, as you can see. So it definitely has like that longer bang that frames the face and jawline. I would say if you like a shorter bang, a bang that has some, you know, shorter layers, you could probably trim or take it in and get it customized. But I do like that it sweeps across the face and frames the, you know, the face and the jaw. But you can wear it away from the face if you'd like. Now here's a closer look of that lace front, and then it extends into that middle monofilament part. Now behind that middle part, you do have some closed wefting. Within that closed wefting, I really don't see much of any permatease. So it looks to me like it's just closed wefting around that part. Some people really want to know the amount of permatease or permalift, if any, and I don't see much of any teasing at the base of those wefts where it's closed. And it's such a sleek wig, I don't think it's very necessary. So yeah, from what I can see, I don't really see any permatease. Now, then you have the rest of this cap, which is open wefted. That's nice and breathable, great air ventilation. Then you have these ear tabs with, looks like I feel wire within those ear tabs. These ear tabs are kind of like a lacy material, and then you have the wefts of this wig bend around the ear tab. Then you do have a nice velvety nape with the adjusters at the nape. Those adjusters help you to fit your wig more securely and make it fit your head more true to size. Okay, let's put Blair back on. So the front of Blair is 9.8 inches. The side is 11 inches. Your back of Blair is 11.8 inches. Your crown is 17.7 inches. And the nape on Blair is 11.8 inches. The total weight for this beautiful Blair wig is 5.8 ounces. It feels great, it feels light, it feels soft. It's a fantastic length because it's not too long, but it does have some length. So you can pull it up, you can put it in a ponytail, a side ponytail, you can braid it, pull it off the face, pull it half up. You do have a lot of ability to creative style this here wig and have fun with it, yet not have it totally in the way. Some of those longer styles can get hard to manage sometimes. You get more friction frizz. This gives you that gorgeous length, but it's not too long. I do love this length. The bend to the ends, it's just a really pretty style. Looks very natural, on trend, soft and smooth and sleek, and very flattering. The way that it curves and bends and frames the face, like I've mentioned many, many times. So what do you guys think about Blair by Rene of Paris? Would you wear this style? Do you like this color, Bronze Hazelnut R? Both the style and the color I'm very impressed with. And anyway. You guys, give me your thoughts, comment below. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out on Instagram or down below. I'll do what I can to get back to your questions. You'll have to go follow Rene of Paris on their social media platforms. I'll have some of those links down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.